How was this? Mine.
Watch out, because that one, when it lights, it hurts.
I didn't even know you brought it.
Someone hold the lighter.
We're gonna do two of them. Did you see how many I had? Yeah. And none of them were small. I didn't know what to bring. I had like all big ones. Well, let me see one of them.
You gotta hold it on there till it lights, babe.
Big red one? Yeah.
That one was